welcome to today's video where I will be creating this sultry soft glam with a hint of extra. I am applying these Revlon Prime Plus primers. These are new to me. I don't think they're new. I think they've already been in the stores. I'm using the mattifying one in the center of my face and then the perfecting and smoothing one on the outer perimeter of my face, basically just my cheeks. I didn't really like this primer too much. Now we're going to be using for the first time this Milani Screen Queen foundation. Now baby, this was not my shade. This was the lightest shade they sent me, and I really wanted to try the foundation, so I just went ahead and put it on, but I was like, oh, this looks a mess. I am not an orange undertone, like this is very orange. I was looking at myself in this moment. I was like, girl, this look a mess. But we're already here, so I just kept it on. Now I'm applying my Too Faced Born This Way concealers. I use Warm Sand under my eye, which is what I'm applying right now. And then I apply Golden Beige on the outer of Warm Sand. And then Chai is my Bronze Tour shade. But yeah, this is definitely not my color. I know I look a mess. Don't come for me, okay? This was the lightest shade they sent me, and I've been wanting to try this foundation. I think when the summer comes, girl, if we can be outside, because what is going on in the world? Anyways, when I get my summer skin, this will probably be my shade, but again, it's just too orange. I'm yellow olive, and this was definitely not yellow olive. It kind of looked peanut buttery on me, which made my bronzer kind of look a mess. But I mean, we get it together. We do, okay? Because, I'm queen of getting it together. But, bear with me. Don't come for me. Okay, we already know. Now I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, natural in the shade Dark Tan, and I just like to stamp this on top of Chai just to accentuate my bronze tour even more, but still keep it soft because we are channeling soft glam today. Now I'm taking my Huda Beauty Easy Bake powders. I'm taking Banana Bread for my under eyes, my chin, my nose, forehead, and then Kunafa will be used to set the rest of my face. I actually really like this powder for all over my face. That's why I've been using both shades lately. It just gives just a beautiful velvety soft finish. Now I'm taking this Too Faced Turn Up the Light palette. I'm using the tan shade, and I just like to apply this over top of my bronze tour just to soften it even further. I love these palettes. They're so good, so beautiful. They're very similar to MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Now we are starting the eyes. So first I'm taking this CoverGirl Hyper Glow highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's so good. First I'm using that to highlight my brow bone. And now we're gonna go into the Amrezy palette. She has the perfect browns in this palette. I'm taking New Yorker and OG first. And this is a Fenty Beauty brush, by the way. And I'm just stamping those two like over my whole lid. And then we're just gonna slowly diffuse it out. So you wanna be very soft with this. So I'm just concentrating the pigment on my lid, and then I'll go in with another brush and then just start to blend the edges out so they're super soft, like they almost just disappear into the skin. That's how soft we want the edges to be. Now for the drama, I'm taking Huda Beauty's Life Liner and I'm going to create a winged liner like my normal winged liner. I love Huda Beauty's liner because it's like a liquid eye kohl. If you ever use the eye kohl, I think MAC makes an eye kohl. It's just so rich and pigmented and like creamy. That's what this is. So first I'm creating my winged liner and then I'm going to go in with a brush and start to blend that out. Now this was a little bit more difficult just because this kind of dries as you're doing it. So you kind of want to work very fast. So as soon as you create that winged liner, immediately go in and start blending the edges. So I'm trying to create like a soft, diffused liner look. Like I've seen like Kim K wear this look, I've seen models wear this look, and I was like, you know what, I really want to try this. I probably should have used a brown liner as opposed to a black liner, but here we are. Now I'm gonna go into the shade 1988 and I'm packing that right on top of my winged liner and then slowly blending it up so it goes from liner to like diffusion into the lid and the crease. So it's very soft, it's not too harsh. We're not going for like a harsh winged liner look, but this is just that bit of extra, honey, that bit of pop that I wanted to add to like a soft glam look, because I can't really relate to soft glam, y'all. I'm just not a soft glam kind of eye girl, okay? I like that drama, I like that extra, I love glam. So this is my take at doing something soft, but you know, with a little bit of kick, with a little bit of punch, okay? Some sultriness, honey. Woo, after that is done, I'm just gonna go in back with New Yorker and OG, and I'm just gonna pack that onto the lower lash line. And I'm just taking a little tiny bit of 1988 and connecting it to the top liner. The hard part is over. Believe it or not, soft glam is kind of difficult for me. I'm just going back in with that CoverGirl highlighter and I'm applying that into the upper inner corner and then the lower inner corner of my eye to balance out the eye and complete it. I'm popping on some Fenty Beauty mascara, some Celeste Los Angeles lashes. Eyes are done. Now we have to finish off the face. I'm going in with this Wet n Wild blush lighter. I love this. It's so beautiful on the cheeks. This is in the shade Flash Me. I'm just using the blush shade this time. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the Revlon. This is so beautiful. I have like a whole bag of makeup that I need to use. I digged up in it and found this. I'm like, girl, how come I haven't used this? It's the Skin Lights Prismatic Highlighter. This one is in the shade Twilight. Actually, I forgot. It'll be down below. But it's so beautiful. I thought it'd be a tattoo bronze for my, cheekbones. But it's actually so beautiful. Like, I'm so happy I digged into my makeup bag and pulled this hoe out. Now for lips, I've been loving this lip combo. You guys have seen it in like the last 3 videos. It's the Milani and Salt and Pepper Shoop Lip Kit, topped with Becca Cosmetics Glow Gloss. There we go, girl. In the shade Champagne Cream. That was a whole tongue twister. Face is B. This completes my sultry soft glam. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I will see you in the next upload. Bye.